Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm back with this DC04 Constant Max off Facebook Marketplace, and today I want to get all shipped down and get it cleaned out, and plus it's all original, and the machine works as well because I tried it last night and it does work. So I thought, with it being working models, so I thought get all nice and clean and stripped down. So here we go. So here we go. Take the cable off on this. You got it. Cable off, and then round the back. Get the hose. The hook handle off. Luckily the hose is no split in it. No splits whatsoever. So very lucky with this. So, and here I've got my parts bucket. Put the parts in. Take the cyclone off. I do the cyclone last because that'd be the messiest job. Take this off. Got two tabs. You just squeeze them. There we go. Then it comes apart. The filter cover comes off with that little tab there. Head filter, a dusty, but I can clean it by vacuuming it off with no vacuum cleaner. The U-bend comes off. This is the strip down. This is the strip down. You got look. So the main part's stripped down. Okay, I'm not taking the switch off because I don't want to damage it. And plus, it works as it is, so I'm gonna leave the switch as is. If I just lower you down, let me see if you can still see. There you go, you can still see, yep. Oh, oh. Right, then the bottom. Got three tabs. You got this up plate. Here you got three tabs. The solder comes off with 3 fasteners, and then that comes out of this. This looks like if it's been damp, because look. Put it in the parts bucket, washing. Now the brush roll. The belt off, just loop it. Gonna pull the bush roll out. The belt, it's a bit burnt, but you know, if I'm going to refurbish it, I'll do it properly. So I'll put a new belt on, and then the bush roll here, full of string. Yeah. Unless I think it's. Oh, it's kind of like quite nicely. Oh, cable quite nicely. So that can go in the parts washing. Wow, look at that. What about this out for me? Non-washables. I'll put the bearing in. Pull it in. Wiggle it. The bearings are fine. They just want clean up and oiling. That can get cleaned by hand. That will get washed. And this, cleaned by hand. Right now, to take the head off. There's no clutch on this, so you don't need to worry about the clutch. And plus, I'm not taking the brush housing off because I don't want to snap these off. These parts here. If you snap them off, then it's stuffed. And I mean stuffed. And it's unlikely you can get another full head this colour, unless it's a scrap machine. So set the head off, get a screwdriver. On the circlet there, there's like a little cut out. You put a screwdriver in, ever so slightly, and then lever up. And eventually, it'll come round and off. Same on the other side. There you go. Then climb the head down. Oh, first of all, undo the internal hose. Like that. Wash it. Screw it. It can be quite stiff. There you go. And then leave it to the head off. You can see these parts here. Ever so slight, pull them out. And there you go. That's a clean head off. Right now, to take the motor out, there's shunt curler. There's 10-15 screws, but you don't need to take these two out because they're holding the diffuser on. So you need T15 torque driver. Undo the screws and put them in the washables. So One. If you hear in the background going, it's my parents. One. Two. There's only 8 of these screws you need to remove. Three. You see that, can't you? Yep. And then there's 3 more on the front. There we go. Now with the screws removed, the motor should just lift up like so. Then this piece of casing, this piece of casing will come off like this. Right now, to get the motor out, there's 4 tabs. You have to pry with a screwdriver, a flat blader. So get a small screwdriver and then very gently press the tabs in, pry the tabs. It can be a bit stiff if it hasn't been done for a while. You got, and that's the retaining ring off. And now to get the motor out, well, this is a working motor, and plus if I hit it with a hammer it can damage it. So get out properly, easily, just do this, push it out, push on the spindle side with your fingers, then push up like that, and then eventually it'll come out. And then there's your motor, then disconnect your cables. 1, 2, there you go. And that's it. That's it. There's your DC04 motor replaced, removed. And that's it. Right. Oh yeah, and then last but not least, nearly forgot the cyclone. It's going to empty this off camera. So, and then, to get the bin turned out, just do this. It can be quite stiff. Like this one is. There you go. Once you loosen it, it'll just come out. Then the cyclone top, I'm not taking the handle off because I don't want to damage it. This part can get washed as it is, but I'm going to take the cyclone out, and to do that, 2 more T15 screws. And eventually, once you've done that, just give it a good wiggle and pull down at the same time. There you go, there you go. And the steel might come out as well, but it doesn't matter if it does. And all that, and look at all that. It shows you why you need to basically get it cleaned out properly. And that's it. You successfully stripped the DC04 down. So if you like this video, if it's helped you, please like and subscribe. And I might do a part 2 later on when it's all washed and dried and polished. I might do a part 2. It probably will a couple of hours later. So for now, goodbye.